Hi, this is Cara with CaraBrandonCreations, and today I wanted to show you how I took one of these Tim Holtz Folios, that looks like this, and took it from this to this. Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at this folio. So we have family visiting for the first time in, I don't know, a long time. And they're coming for 4th of July. So I thought it'd be fun to make a little folio to add the pictures to from the weekend. So I have this fun fabric and some lace. This is authentic paper. And on the back is one of the digitals from the 4th of July kit. And then there's Tim Holtz stars and a ruler. And then right here,
I don't have an answer for that.
Alexa, stop. And this is a page from the kit. And then we open it up and it looks like this. And we have a pocket here with tags from the kit that I've backed with scrapbook paper. I think I'll add the pictures to the back of the tags. And then I made a fabric pocket. Oh, back here is a page from the kit. A fabric pocket, added some buttons, vintage buttons to a Tim Holtz safety pin. And then over here I have this little postcard that I can tuck in, and I can do journaling or add a picture there. Up here I have a little clip, and then same thing, I thought I could add a picture here and then or here and cover this. And then, you know, either way, but I clipped it here so I have options. I have some lace and fabric on the side. And then this, let's see if I'm in frame. We'll look at the bottom part. Here's a little belly band with these little, I think I lost, oh no, here it is, a little piece just for fun. I could put itty bitty pictures on the back of those if I wanted. And then up here, same thing, I could add a picture. And then when you get into the middle, there's a flip up here. Again, adding a picture. And same with this one. Some lace at the bottom. And, excuse me, part of this folio has this piece here. And you can attach things to it, and then it flips like this, which is really fun. I added some gears, some Tim Holtz ephemera, stuff from the kit, as well as scrapbook paper, a little tag from the kit that says family, 4th of July. So I thought this was really fun. Could add a picture there. And then this guy, he swivels, that's from the kit. Authentic scrapbook paper. I have like a little award ribbon right here. These guys are just tucked in to this side pocket. I love this with the girls in the boat. And here I have a journaling card, excuse me, and a Tim Holtz ticket. And then that's Tim Holtz. I have this little guy tucked in there, and it says United States. So that is my fun little 4th of July folio. I'm excited to add the pictures. I'll probably take a little snapshot of it when it's completed with pictures and add it to my Instagram page and in my Facebook group. Here's this week's Freebie Friday for Friday, July 2nd. It goes with the 4th of July kit, 3 tags, and the 4th of July kit will be on sale now until July 13th. So if you want to do your memory keeping as well for this 4th of July, go ahead, grab this freebie. And then you can also get the digital kit for 30% off. All right, so this is what I made. I just cut the tags out, inked around the edges, and added some ribbon. And then my plan is I'm going to add it to my folio, so I have even more space for journaling and adding pictures. And they're just gonna tuck in that front pocket. All right. If you wanted to see the 4th of July kit that I used, to make this, click there. And if you wanted to see a recent video, click right there. See you there.